There she is. Let's see it. Oh, so warm right there. You're gonna catch it? All right. Throw it to Dad. Throw it back. It's on camera now. Ah! Throw it back to Dad. We'll try again. Let's go. You gonna catch it sitting down? Throw it back here. All right. All right. Oh. There we go. You got this. Here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! You almost got it! Huge! Yeah, it's on now?
Yeah.
You see that little red dot in the middle?
Yeah.
That means it's recording.
Hi!
So when you want to stop recording, you just push that button on the top again, okay?
Okay, can I?
Yeah.
Ow! You're
It's recording right now. Go get Mommy and Grandma.
Daddy!
What?
Say hi!
Hi!
Grammy!
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hello! We're missing all the good waves. How do you stop it?
Tell me how much time I was. Okay.
Push that hard. Look at this one. Got it?
3, 2, 1, go!
Boogie it out. Basically just standing on the ground. Oh, where are you?
We don't have no floaties on. Okay. Let's grab one. Uncle Kevin! Here. Can you record me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it already recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I see that. What is that, the YMCA? It's fun to stay at the...
What's the wind-up toy dance? Show the wind-up toy dance.
What is that?
The one you got.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good, good.
Done.
Go!
Oh. Alright, that's the beginning.
Help me, Uncle Kevin.
Let's see what you got going first.
Dad's on a drink break.
Ah, okay. Alright. Let's see, we got the base started. We're a little far away, but that's alright. Yeah, I wonder why.
Literally, it just fell over.
It's your first drizzle tower. It's looking good. Mine was looking better, but Sophia's is bigger now. I think she's got the hang of it.
Oh, I got some way to running.
got the hang of it now. Back for 27 seconds. There you go. Now, see how the drizzle went up higher? You see how much higher it is? What was that?